We love our vintage Morgan dollars. Why? Because the modern Morgan dollar market, 21, 23, 24, 25, is on fire. But we love the vintage coins just because, well, they're the 100-year-old versions of these gorgeous modern issues. The number one request at the beginning of every show is, how many certified Morgans do you have and what are they? That's what the operators always tell me. And we do our best to have one or two in every show, but out of 70 items in 6 hours, sometimes a bit of a challenge. Well, tonight we actually have a couple. One of my favorites, though, is the 888s. 1888. And tonight, a PCGS 63. So the Morgan dollar, the vintage Morgan dollar, was made from 1878 through 1904, 27 consecutive years. It was made a 28th year in 1921 while they were figuring out what to do with the peace dollar design, etc. They had silver, they had the coin left over from the Pittman Act, which was used to help the English out during World War I, yada, 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 right? So then you look at this 27-year period, and you have Philadelphia, San Francisco, New Orleans, and Carson City, lots of possible configurations. No two of them are alike, and no two of them are equal. They're just not. And for me, the numbers behind the coins help me differentiate value. What is a good one, what isn't, right? And even the bad ones are, well, better than today's brand new ones, in my opinion. Because again, these are parts of 100-year history. So if they made one, you got to go 140 years, 135 years to find the one. Versus they made it yesterday, I just got to find the person that has it. All good. It's the collector's great American coin hunt, right? Well, when you get into the late 1880s, taking into consideration the Pittman Act, which is the melting of massive quantities of Morgan dollars in 1918, which coins are left? Well, here are some numbers, and then the answer is this coin. The 1881S, one of the early S mints. PCGS alone, this is a PCGS coin. They have seen 275,000 of them out of a mintage of 12.7 million coins. Not bad. Good value, great coin. If you want to go a New Orleans coin, how about the 1884? 230,000 known. That's how many they've seen in 40 years. 9.7 million of them were made at that point in history. If you want to go to Philadelphia, just one more, you're going to see 170,000 coins out of 1887, the year before this, known in the last 40 years. 20.2 million coins were made. So it's a low number and a high pop, which means a good value. And then you look at this one, which is like way off the chart. It doesn't belong with the others, yet the price is 19.1 million. So kind of mimicking the 87p. Actually a little bit less. And the 87p again was 170,000 coins, all grade, 63 and higher, I should say. This one, 49,383. So less than a third. Now my competition has the three coins I referenced, the 81S, the 84O, the 87P, all at between 159 and 179 in the same grade. A PCGS Blast White Beauty 63. They have the exact coin we're looking at right now, a mint state 60 in a capsule at $1.75, and at $1.93, they're at this grade. Our coin here tonight is the rarer coin. It's the coin. It's the 888s. Fun coin. But for value at $129.95, which is significantly cheaper than the other coins around it, and it's significantly rarer. Not even close. If you're looking at a bar graph, you're seeing a scratch of a line and then you're seeing a couple inches. That's the difference. Guys, give me a 30-second clock. Only had a couple of these. Whenever we see them, they disappear fast, and it's just because, well, there's nothing out there. Again, 275,000, 230,000, 170,000, 49,000. They're more money. This is less money. For the same coin, they're way more money. We're at $129.95. So no two coins are equal, as I referenced earlier in this chat. And then there are coins that just stand out as being the wow coins of the group. And when you can find those wow coins at the right price, like tonight, $129.95, it's called Pounce. Thanks for listening.